Welcome to Elements and Components of Selling. To understand elements of selling, let us think about these questions. What qualities do you look for in a product that you want to buy? Whether it's a bike, a mobile, grocery, refrigerator, or an apparel. Also, think about what expectations you have from a person who is selling and serving you with that product. So for product qualities, all physical elements like features, designs, types, all tangible, the ones that you can look, touch and feel. And for service expectations, all non-physical elements like trust, good communication, relationship building, all non-tangible ones, the ones that you can feel and experience the way you have been treated. So keeping in mind elements of product and service, convincing customers to purchase requires one to develop on the three components of selling. 1. Product knowledge, 2. Customer knowledge, and 3. Selling skills. Any guesses what all comes under product knowledge, customer knowledge and selling skills? Product knowledge talks about not only having knowledge about the product but also about the company and the competition's product. It is also about knowing the advantage of your company's product over the competition, so that you are prepared with enough points when customer mentions about the competition product. Customer knowledge. It's about profile, base and leads of prospective customers. It's about knowing your customer, creating base and filtering down the prospective customers who will be interested in buying your product. Selling skills. Understanding customer needs, mapping solution basis customer needs, customer service, logical reasoning is not just the ability to sell a product but also convince the customer with enough logical reason for their objection. Selling is about providing customer with what they want and not with what you want to sell. There's a great difference between the two. Remember, it is always about giving someone what they want. How will you do that? Of course, by keeping in mind elements of selling, that is physical and non-physical elements, and developing components of selling, that is product knowledge, customer knowledge and selling skills. Thank you and happy learning.